Fish balls, fish cakes, soles, plaice, oysters, shrimps, prawns, crabs and fish curries are all good. I don't want to talk about fish anymore. We're going to have a look at 1 pound of potatoes, 1 leek, 2 onions, 1 clove, a blade of mace, ouch, 1 ounce of butter, 1 pint of boiling water, 1 pint of milk hot, 1 small lump of sugar, 1 tablespoon of tapioca, which just happens to be in the cupboard behind me, pepper and salt, a little lemon juice and a tablespoon of chopped parsley. Put it all together and we have made soup.